Hey everyone, David here with Headset Advisor. When it comes to wearing headphones, you would think it's as easy as just putting them on your head, but actually there's a little bit more to it. So I'm going to show you how to wear headphones properly in this video. So let's get started right now. The example headset we have here is the Orosound Tild Pro. Now, the first thing you want to do is identify which ear the speaker needs to go over. On the Tild Pro, it has the R in the inside of the speaker and an L in the inside of the speaker there. So you can clearly see which ear the speaker is supposed to go over. So you want to identify that. Now, it's different on every model of headphone out there. It might be a small engraving on the headband. It might be located on the side of the headband. So first you want to identify which side the speaker is supposed to go. Now, once that's decided, you want to adjust the headband so that it fits more properly. So most headphones have the ability to adjust the speaker on each side through the adjustable headband. So we're going to start out a little bit before we put it on our head here, and then we can adjust it once it's on the head. So we're going to place the headset over the head and then adjust the headband so that the speaker housing is in line with your eardrum. So you want it about midway on your ears to fully cover your ears. And this is how it should look with the headphones adjusted with the headband. Now, the next factor to consider is the clamping force. This is how tight the headset feels on your head. The tighter that it is, the more noise that the headphones are going to block around you. But the more clamping force, the more likely they're going to be uncomfortable and cause headaches. So you want to find this balance. When you put the headset on after adjusting the speakers, you want to determine how much noise is blocking. So you want it as tight as possible, but also loose enough so that it's not going to give you headaches. So if you're finding it's tight, what you can do is gently pry the headphones out a little bit. And this is going to give you a little bit more, less clamping force when you give it a little. Now, do this at your own risk, be forewarned, but most headphones are designed to actually adjust clamping forces. So that will increase. If we look here, I'll take my Orosound Tild Pro, and as you can tell, the gap between the two speakers is now increased. Now, if I want to increase the clamping force, I'm going to take the headband and I'm going to bend it inwards just a little bit. And this is going to bring the speakers closer together. So you can see there's no longer a gap there. So if you want more clamping force for increased noise cancellation going on around you, go ahead and increase that clamping force. But if they're uncomfortable and a little too tight, then go ahead and give it a little bit less clamping force. Now, the third thing to consider is the microphone boom. A lot of headphones either have microphones built into the body of the headset, but if it has a microphone boom, you want to make sure that your microphone is positioned properly. So once you put the headset on, typical microphone placement should be about 2 to 3 fingers away from the corner of your mouth. So if you look at the Tild Pro microphone boom here, this is located about 3 fingers. I could use a little bit more. So all you're going to do is just put a little bend into the microphone boom, and then now you can see that it's positioned about 2 fingers away from the mouth. Now, not all headphones have an adjustable microphone boom. The Tild Pro does, and you can tell if it's rigid and solid, then it's not bendable. But if it has rubber to it, then it's designed to actually bend. So the Tild Pro actually has a magnetic microphone boom, which is kind of neat, very unique on the marketplace. No other headset can do this. So you can actually remove the microphone boom and wear the headset like traditional headphones, and there's a microphone built into the body. And then when you're ready to have a high noise canceling phone call or meeting on Zoom or Teams, then you can position it on. Now, the microphone boom is positioned properly from the corner of the mouth. If you have a fixed microphone boom, you can always tilt the speakers in a little bit, which brings the microphone a little closer. You can move it out if you tilt the speakers away, as the speakers are designed to rotate a little bit. The Tild Pro actually rotates all the way, so you can lay it flat on the desk, which I always like. But that is how to position the microphone boom at the corner of your mouth, 2 to 3 fingers away from the corner of your mouth. So that's how easy it is to adjust and wear your headphones. But if you're looking for a recommendation on the best headphones for working from home, for your office, or just in general, that's what our team here at Headset Advisor does every day. So give us a call, email us, or live chat with us on our website, and we will provide you with the best recommendation for your unique situation. So that's all I got for you on this video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want to see the full in-depth review of this awesome Orosound Tild Pro that's great for working from home, has noise cancellation, and has that magnetic removable mic boom, check out the full in-depth review video right up here. Think you'll enjoy that. That's all I got for you on this video. We'll see you on the next one.